It's actually gross.
That is nice.
Damn, that's actually gross.
He's gonna scream. That's nice, bro.
That's gross.
What up, bro?
What's up, dude? How you doing?
Cool, dude.
Well, he said he can flat foot
If
it.
you message you, just hook up with him. CBR?
What happened to your CBR?
It's in pieces right now. I have fresh fairings in that box.
Are those the OEM? Were those the OEM?
Well, I saw you
fairings?
stepping out the mini bike the other day.
Let's go, dude. That's so clean. It's a Huracan. Yeah, this is gonna be sick. It's so clean, dude. Got a Huracan right behind us. Trying to get us on the GoPro. Dude, that's so fire. Hold on. Look at that. Chilling with a Huracan right now. That's sick. Hold on. That is so fire, bro. Oh my god. Chilling with a Huracan right now. That's sick, bro. I'm gonna get a test run. That's sick, bro. Oh my god, bro, that's crazy. That's crazy. Let's go! That is so sick, bro. Cruising with a Huracan. That's crazy. I'm geeking right now. KCGHOSTRIDER in a Lambo? Imagine. That's sick, bro. Huh?
I don't get too excited. That got me f***ing like,
Really? Let's go, dude. Me too. Me too. He said this is better than sex. I love that. Dude, yeah, I haven't been on my bike in like a week. So, that was sick. I know those turned out good.
fucking, I had it floored when we were top end.
Really?
He took off from me.
Really?
I mean, yeah, you killed me.
Oh, dude. This is pushing 177 to the wheel.
What kind of bike can I get? What's the baddest mother
Dude, get a, I don't know, like a Ducati V4? Like 20 to 30 grand, like 25 I think. You can get a V4R for like 30 grand. That's bad, yeah. I don't. You remember when I couldn't? Yeah, I know. I've came a long way. I've come a long way. That's fine, bro. I appreciate you for doing this. I've never had clips with a Lambo.
I can do to support you, bro.
I appreciate that a lot. I've never really reached out to, I guess, really any Lambo guys, but there's not really many around here either.
Oh, John's got that Novello.
Yeah, Novello, right?
Fucking like 2 or 3, and all the dudes that like.
There he goes. That's crazy. There goes the Huracan. If you guys did enjoy today's video, like, comment, sub. Pretty straightforward. It was definitely really fun. Cruising with a Lambo, absolutely insane. Stay tuned. Swing over to my Instagram. I'll have the rollers posted over there where you can see the rollers and the behind the scenes of the reel we just shot. Other than that, I'm gonna get out of here. We're gonna head back and wrap up some other work. So I'm gonna see you guys in another one. Peace.